In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alarm in Google Calendar. If you want a simple way to remind yourself about an upcoming meeting, task, appointment, or personal event. Google Calendar makes it very easy to do. You can set a notification so you get alerted before something begins, which is especially helpful when you have a busy schedule and don't want to rely on memory alone. This works on both the computer and the mobile app, and the overall process is very similar. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer or on your phone using the mobile app. Once you're in the calendar, look for the Create button. On some screens, this may appear as a plus sign, and that's what you'll tap or click to make a new event or task. This is the starting point for adding the reminder you want. After you select Create, choose the date and time for the event. This part is important because your notification will be tied to the time you set here. Make sure the event is scheduled correctly so your alert comes at the right moment. If needed, take a second to double check the day, the start time, and any other basic event details before moving on. Next, look for the notification option or something labeled Add Notification. This is the setting that controls when Google Calendar will alert you before the event starts. Depending on the device you're using, the wording or placement may be slightly different, but it will be part of the event details. Now choose how many minutes or hours before the event you want the sound alert to ring. For example, you might want a reminder 10 minutes before a meeting, or maybe an hour before an important appointment. The best option depends on how much preparation time you need. A shorter alert is useful for quick reminders, while a longer one gives you more time to get ready or travel. Once you've chosen the notification timing you want, click Save to finish setting your alert. After that, Google Calendar will keep the event on your schedule and notify you at the time you selected. That's all it takes to set an alarm in Google Calendar. It's a quick feature, but it can make a big difference in staying organized and on time. If you use reminders often, this can become one of the easiest ways to manage your day and avoid missing important events.